Ever wondered how you can bring a touch of magic to your garden? Welcome to the enchanting world of fairy gardens. Imagine crafting miniature landscapes, adorned with tiny structures and lush living plants, creating a whimsical tableau of nature's charm. Fairy gardens are a delightful way to invite a sense of wonder into your outdoor spaces. But how do you create your own fairy garden? Well, it starts with the basic elements: a container or a special outdoor spot, petite plants, and tiny accessories. Now, it's crucial to remember that the arrangement of these elements is entirely up to you. Yes, your imagination is the magic wand here. You could create a fairy picnic spot, a mystical forest, or even a miniature fairy town. Choosing the right plants is also key. Whether you're setting up your garden indoors or outdoors, pick plants that thrive in that environment. So if you're going for an indoor fairy garden, pick plants that love the indoors. Remember, the only limit is your imagination when creating your unique fairy garden. Why would you want to dive into the world of fairy gardening? Well, there's a multitude of benefits. Fairy gardening serves as a creative outlet, allowing you to design and build enchanting miniature worlds. It encourages mindfulness as you delve into the intricate details of your garden. For children, it's an engaging and educational activity that sparks their imagination. Beyond the personal benefits, fairy gardens can become a haven for beneficial insects, promoting a healthy ecosystem in your garden. So, fairy gardening is not only fun, but also has multiple benefits. It's time to create your fairy tale world in your garden. Let's revisit what we've covered: the enchanting allure of fairy gardens, the simple steps to begin your own, and the joy they bring. Imagine the wonder you'll cultivate right at your fingertips. Share your magical mini-worlds on social media, inspiring others and connecting with fellow enthusiasts. It's more than just gardening, it's creating an experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy fairy gardening!